with Star Plus Everest all set to launch. We have Milind Gunaji here. He's playing a colonel in the show. So Milind, how excited are you about Everest?
It's a huge show with this magnitude, this kind of filming, or what you may say, camera work, everything. It's a mega project, and on television I don't think anybody would have done this before, and it is going to be very difficult for anybody to do it in future also, because it was all the technical expertise as well as even the cast had to be very fit, because we had to climb to heights beyond 14,000 feet. So generally when you are beyond 9,000 feet, you get that problem of mountain sickness if you are not acclimatized well, less lack of oxygen, and in those circumstances then there's again temperature going down to minus 6, minus 7. So we were regularly in that temperature, and then shooting. It was a very tough job. And after that, the story is so good that whatever that is the outcome, that the output that we have seen on the screen is awesome. Means you will feel as if your viewers, they'll take that experience of actually summiting Everest.
But Milind, you have the action imaged since you're doing a travel show. So what was your experience of mountaineering and climbing the huge mountains?
Now see, here I'm known as a mountaineer. I have written books. I was appointed as ambassador of government of Maharashtra Forest and Wildlife. But that was all, or that is all at certain height. Sahyadris are not more than 5,500 feet. That's the highest peak is Kalsubai, to 5,500. And where we had gone, where we started from, that was 5,500 feet. And then we went up to beyond 14,500, 15,000 feet. So that is a different ball game altogether. It's basically your fitness and lack of oxygen, and then fighting against low temperature. These are the major difficulties. Mountaineering is a different thing, and this is a different kind of mountaineering. So I am expert in my kind of mountaineering, but of course it helped, because the place where we went, the glacier, for that we had to climb for 3 days. After climbing up for 3 days, then you reach that place. So 3 days we are camping in different places, different heights. So my previous mountaineering experience helped me.
Definitely, Milind. And about your experience, you've been part of movies and now TV. Which one do you enjoy more?
Of course, I always enjoy doing a movie, because now till date I have done in my 20 years career approximately 180 films in different languages. The film is a different thing altogether, but of course if a project of this magnitude is on television, no harm doing it. No harm is actually I'm privileged to be a part of this.
My second question was about what difference do you find in movies and TV?
Nowadays there is not much of a difference, and if there is a director of this height, Ashutosh Gowarikar, who has reached those heights, so it's like television is as good as movie when he does that. But when it comes to movie, it's like a lifetime thing. The films that I have seen, I've done, you might have seen Virasat, Fareb, Godmother, whatever, till Devdas, Hera Fairy. Once the film is a hit, it's like for generations people are going to watch it. Television serials, that way people don't remember much, but nowadays if the serials are of this kind, I'm sure this will be like a memorable serial.
And about films, you're known for your negative characters, playing a guide to the lead actress. So how difficult or easy was it to portray a positive character this time?
See, in our industry, once you portray and you are successful in certain slot, which was I was a typecast, so continuously I was portraying these roles of villains in different films. Here, that particular, this was there's a sort of a mold that was broken by Ashutosh. So he took me on different plane altogether. So it was little difficult in the beginning, because he wanted me to play completely positive, very warm, very nice person. And so it all, you can see now, after watching this show, you'll say that this is a different Milind Gunaji you are watching.
So Milind, do we get to see you in more TV shows in yours?
Yeah, if there is a good project of this kind, I'm definitely going to do it.
Thank you so much, Milind, for talking.
Thank you.